Hi, welcome back to Culinary Adventures. Our special guest today is Vito Barbeque, right?
Yes.
Said it right. Hey, we're in his great kitchen, man, and I smell the olive oil, and you got garlic there for our first dish.
Yes.
I appreciate you letting us in here because I know it's the rush hour.
No problem.
And but you got some garlic in there, and it's bathing in some olive oil, right?
Yes, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil.
Mm-hmm. And what do we have to do?
So what we have to do, we have to put in the pot. We let it brown.
Okay.
The garlic. Okay. So from the garlic, let it brown the garlic.
Oh, it smells great, man.
Oh, yeah.
You know, there's something about garlic and olive oil.
Yeah. Okay, then we put the large shrimps. For 1 order, we give you 6 shrimps.
Okay. And those are the large ones.
Large.
And you're just tossing them in the olive oil with the garlic.
And we add a little Italian parsley.
Okay. And that adds flavor and color, right?
Oh, yes, yes. And we add a little pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Salt.
Oh, the wine.
Italian wine.
No, we're using white wine, right?
White wine, yes.
Okay.
And we squeeze fresh lemon.
That looks great, Vito.
Okay. And then we're going to add some breadcrumb.
Okay.
To thickness the sauce.
Okay. Is that for binding the dish?
Binding, yes. And then we're going to add some fish broth.
What type of broth was that?
Fish broth.
Okay.
Shrimp broth, okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where's the casserole? Okay. And we have to put under salamander.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to roast it.
God, those things are plump, man.
Nice.
Those are really nice.
Shrimp. A little more broth. Okay, and finish up some paprika.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Put under the salamander.
And Vito, approximately how long does it go under the salamander?
About 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Great.
5 minutes.
And we've got you've got a story to tell me because the dish we're doing in the next segment is a pasta boccelli.
Yes.
And you were telling me a story about how the recipe came into existence. Tell us the story.
Well, the pasta boccelli, it's pasta dedicated to the tenor Andrea Bocelli.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody, I think you know about him. And he came for dinner here, and he told me to surprise him with beautiful one pasta dish. So I figured pasta boccelli, which is a bell flour pasta.
Right.
Saute everything in olive oil, garlic, cherry tomato, yellow and green zucchini, asparagus, prosecco champagne, and topped with rucola, fresh rucola.
Oh, fresh?
Yes.
And does it just until it wilts down a little bit?
Right.
And then you just mix it with the pasta?
Mix with pasta, and we decorate it with the rucola.
Fantastic.
So we're going to do that later?
Yeah, we're going to do that the next segment, but I wanted to give them a teaser because it had some, connection with the famous tenor and how you tied that into, making this dish.
Okay.
Now tell us, how long have you been in this location?
Well, we've been here 24 years. In the same location, and last year we did all major remodeling.
Right.
And we did the place is brand new.
Because we did our open from the banquet hall, and it's a beautiful room.
Thank you.
You did a nice job.
We do a lot of weddings, anniversary, birthday party, name it, all kinds of occasions.
Sure. So you could handle a crowd from 2 to.
And we make sure the touch of the cuisine of the restaurant we bring to the banquet room.
Right. That's important.
Yes.
And we're using all fresh ingredients today.
Yes,
so
all fresh ingredients.
The fish, whatever, the squid, the scallops, whatever we cook, are all fresh.
All fresh, yes.
And that's the best.
That's right. It has to be fresh. Seafood has to be fresh.
Absolutely.
So for the texture or the flavor, they don't want to say taste fishy taste.
Yeah, no, that's no good. Well, I smell everything, man, because your chefs are cooking because, of course, it's just, right after lunchtime.
Right.
And you still have orders to prepare, but it just smells wonderful here.
Okay, we want to check for the scampi?
Absolutely.
Okay. Huh? Okay, we put them there, huh? Metal Santino. The scampi are ready for you.
Well, we're going to have to dig into that later, too,
yes.
man.
Oh,
absolutely.
Definitely, yes.
Okay, so you know what? We come back, we're going to do the pasta Bocelli and the Adriatic grill.
Great.
Okay.
Look forward.
We'll be right back. Hi, welcome back to Culinary Adventures. We're at El Pescatore restaurant in Franklin Park, and our special guest is Vito Barbenente. Got that right
You're
twice,
right.
man.
You're Italian, all right.
Hey, we were talking about, we addressed the pasta Bocelli that you have made, and we're going to prepare it right now, man.
All right, ready. Fresh garlic.
Yeah.
Olive oil.
Yeah. Those are like must-haves, right?
Yes.
Any recipe, garlic and olive oil?
Yes, mustard.
Okay. And we got shrimp and scallops?
Shrimps and scallops.
Yeah, I don't know too many people that make Italian food without olive oil and garlic, you know?
Oh, no way.
I mean, it's just like, you gotta have that. There's no way around it.
Fresh basil.
Oh, man. Yeah, we smelled that when we entered your kitchen.
Right. It's sauté with Prosecco champagne. It's a dry champagne.
Okay.
From Italy.
Just give it a little flame and deglaze that pan.
That's it, yes.
Awesome.
One time, just a little pepper and salt.
Those are your predominant seasonings, right?
That's
Pepper
it.
and salt?
Yes, yes. That's Italian
Just basic,
spice.
but that's what you need.
Yes. Okay, then we're gonna add fresh cherry tomatoes.
And we just cut them in half.
Yes, cut them in half.
They got really sweet too. They added another type of profile, don't they?
Yes, that's for decoration and
I love
not
cherry
very
tomatoes.
strong. Not very strong it tastes on the tomato. We don't want to lose the flavor of the seafood.
So you don't want too much acid.
Exactly. Okay, we're gonna grill green zucchini.
Okay. And you just put that on the grill, what,
Yes.
5-6 minutes?
Yes, just turn it on one side.
Okay.
Yellow zucchini.
Uh-huh.
Fresh asparagus. What a colorful dish.
Oh man.
Yeah.
And all my favorite vegetables.
Yes, got it.
And you didn't even know that.
Oh my God.
You do now.
Yes, I know now. You're really gonna enjoy this dish.
You know it.
Okay. Then we're gonna put a touch of cream.
Okay.
Parmesan cheese. Now we're gonna add the fish broth.
Oh, so the cream and the fish broth with
Yes.
all the liquid in there, the oil, all binds it together and adds flavor.
It gives the special flavor.
Oh,
When you hear the music Bocelli,
Yeah.
oh, that's why when you enjoy this dish, you're in heaven.
Oh man.
Yes.
And not only that, it binds to the pasta
Yes.
better too.
You're gonna taste this, the really
Fantastic.
very unique taste.
Great.
Like you sing, con te partirò, that's it. With this dish, you live with that. Okay, so we have almost ready.
Uh-huh.
Let it simmer.
Okay. Well, while
then-
that's simmering, I tell you what, why
Yes.
don't we take a look at the fish that we do for the Adriatic grill?
Go ahead. Okay. That's Adriatic grill mix. That's Adriatic Sea by where we come from. We come from Bari, an Adriatic Sea. We specialize in calamari, octopus, cuttlefish,
Yeah.
jumbo shrimps, and we have a fish of the day, which we change all the time, but today is the Chilean sea bass.
Oh, okay.
We combine with the Adriatic grill dish.
Sure.
Okay? So after we grill, we have the seasoning, special seasoning that we use It's fresh olive oil, garlic, and a touch of white balsamic vinegar.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Now you find the white balsamic goes better with the fish dish, right?
Yes, right. And the red is more for meat and salads.
Okay.
So we don't want to get the fish that darker. Okay.
It looks beautiful.
Okay. Then
now he heats it up on there just to get the sauces married.
Steam it, right.
And then
steam it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're gonna finish the pasta boccelli.
Okay.
So we have special pasta, different pasta.
Mm-hmm.
We use bell flour pasta.
And that's the certain shape.
Right. And this is a new pasta from Italy.
Mm-hmm.
And then we put all inside.
So you put it right in the pan with the rest of the vegetables and shrimp, and scallops.
We let it saute and marinate it together.
Oh, that's beautiful, man.
Okay.
That is beautiful. And we got a platter.
We got a platter.
Okay.
I'll prepare over here.
Man, I love how you incorporated grilled vegetables and fresh vegetables, you know, with the seafood.
Yes.
And you didn't put too much cream in there, so it's not very heavy.
No, just a touch, yes. So we prepare the dish. Pasta always al dente. Because if we don't cook al dente, the chef is un fetente. Yeah.
And that's important, man.
Yes.
The shrimps are done perfectly.
Perfect, yes. Now undercook and now overcook.
Yeah, and especially with scallops. When you overcook them, you might as well throw them away.
Okay,
Beautiful.
pasta boccelli, and then we finish it up with a touch of fresh arugula.
And the heat just kind of wilts it down.
Exactly. And decorate with the parsley. And voila, pasta boccelli.
Awesome. We're going to definitely dig into that.
Okay.
Now with the Adriatic grill,
Yes.
he took it from the grill, put it into the saucepan with the white balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and garlic.
Yes, make sure it's extra virgin olive oil.
Okay.
That's what it makes the taste.
And then he's just, he put the cover on it, steamed it a little bit, now he's turning.
Ready to go. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, the calamari it looks wonderful.
Oh, yes. Very tender. We do a lot of good job on the calamari.
Is that the baby octopus?
Yes, it's a baby octopus.
Okay.
All imported from Italy and Adriatic. The baby octopus is from Adriatic.
And then how you plate it, you have grilled vegetables as an accompaniment to this.
Right.
Great.
Exactly.
Oh man, it smells wonderful. And I'm not saying, I'm just saying, you know what I mean?
Yes. Oh, it's good to taste. We believe in quality and low cholesterol cooking, you can see.
That's the key, man.
Yes.
And the fish is just flaking, it's done to perfection.
Yeah, thank you. That's right. Okay. Adriatic grill mix.
Awesome.
Simple the best. Delicious.
You know it. We're going to dig into both of those things,
Definitely,
man.
yes. I want you to taste. I want to believe in my food.
We killed the scampi. It went in no time.
Great.
Hey, I want to thank you for having us in your kitchen. The 3 dishes are awesome.
My pleasure to serve you and cook for anyone.
And also you showed us how easy it is, and that's the key because, you know, it's easy but delicious too, and that's what people want in their home because, you know, they could try to duplicate your recipes.
Yes, thank you.
What's your address here?
The address is 3400 North River Road. It's in Franklin Park.
Right.
And we located just 2 blocks north of Belmont Avenue or 5 blocks south of Irving Park.
Okay, and what's the phone number in case people want reservations?
The phone number is 847-678-0895.
Great. Well, hey, let me take this.
Yes.
Thank you again.
Thank you.
No problem.
My pleasure.
I'm Larry Gerber, the Barbecue Man, and I want to urge you to try this dish. If not, come in here and try the dish for sure. Vito's information will be at our website at barbequeman.com.